Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Apple's Visual Lookup to identify objects and photos. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you are searching for the proper use of Apple's Visual Lookup to identify photos or like objects in the photos, all you gotta do is simply open the image in full screen. Once you open it, you need to simply go in a specific frame within the photos, Safari, or quick lookups. So once you have done this, if the subject in the photo or video is recognizable by the video visual lookup, you will see an information button at the top of the screen with a star symbol around it. So once you tap on it, you can see like different kind of features if you have it in your iPhone. So once you tap on the information button, you can simply tap on lookup and you can simply look up that particular object that is shown in the photo. So this is how you can use Apple's Visual Lookup to identify objects and photos. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.